Have you ever started a project with a dream, but somehow ended up stuck before it ever left the garage? Most projects don't stall because of rust or broken parts. They stall because the dream and reality have just never met yet. When you buy a classic car, the first thing you get isn't the car, it's the dream, the vision. You picture the finished project, how it looks, how it'll drive, where you'll take it, who you'll share it with. And from that dream, you decide what you think the car's purpose will be. A daily driver, show car, cruiser, something the grandkids will fight over one day.
He loves me more.
But the dream is only one side of the story. There's another purpose waiting, the purpose the car brings to the garage. And that purpose doesn't show up on day one. It only reveals itself once the car's alive and communicating with you. Let me explain how I learned this. When I started on our Kombi project, the dream was enormous. I saw the finished build so clearly, I began working on it as if it was already there, buried somewhere under the rust. Big restoration plans, major repairs, fabrication, lots to learn, all the big stuff right away. But the Kombi had a different story. It needed structure, time, patience, and understanding, and I didn't have the capability to tackle all of that at once. My dream gave it one purpose, but reality gave it another. And because those two didn't line up, the Kombi didn't move out of the garage for years. In fact, it's still there. Now you'd think I'd learn my lesson here. No. What do you do when you can't finish one project? Well, you start another one. Enter the Karmann Ghia. Same beginning. Big dreams, big plans, the same mistakes. And 5 years later, it still wasn't anywhere near the vision I had in my head. And that was the moment I allowed reality to sink in and realized that before any dream can manifest, you need to start at a core foundation. Alive first. Alive means running, it means stopping, it means cooling properly, it means safe. It's the universal starting line. Once I shifted my focus with the Ghia to alive, everything changed. Instead of a broad vision that included perfect panels, paint, interior, engine, I narrowed down to the essentials: fuel, spark, cooling, brakes, reliability and trust. And suddenly, after years of sitting, the Ghia actually moved. Not just emotionally, but physically. Down the driveway, around the block, drivable, functional, and on the verge of being road ready. That's when I realized something critical. Your project has three forces shaping its future: the dream you bring, the reality the car reveals, and the capability you have at the time. And the project only moves when those three things line up. If your dream demands more than you realize, you get overwhelmed. If the car's reality doesn't match the dream, you lose motivation. If your capability isn't ready, the project quietly stops. But when the car is alive, running, stopping, cooling, behaving, everything becomes clearer. The car starts telling the truth about itself. Your motivation and capability grows. Your dream adjusts, and the real purpose finally emerges. A daily driver makes sense when you feel how reliable it is. A show car makes sense when you know what's underneath. A cruiser makes sense when you realize how it wants to be driven. With Alive, you get clarity. That's why the real purpose comes last. It's not something you choose on day one. It's something the car reveals when you're both ready. But it all begins when your project is simply alive.